Looking at the screen in front of you, how many of these social media platforms do you recognize? Are you a member of any of them? If you don't recognize them all, it's okay. I don't either. Over time, some of these platforms have become extinct, or in millennial terms, are no longer relevant. Looking along the timeline, as technology adapts, so does social media, therefore it is vital to try and understand it. My research attempts to address the enigma behind the usage and time spent on social media. I designed a survey using Amazon Turk and collected 268 online responses from individuals across the United States. My results found that 50% of people are spending the same amount of time they did on social media compared to a year ago, and the other half of these respondents are split 50-50. A quarter are spending more time on social media and a quarter are spending less. This made me wonder, why are these results so divided? Interestingly enough, females are 20% more likely to have spent more time on social media compared to males who are spending less compared to a year ago. Similar results were found. 22% of females are very likely to see social media being an integral part of their lives a decade from now, compared to only 3% of men respondents in this category. That's a huge difference. Perhaps one of the most intriguing results of this study finds that 75% of people are likely or very likely to see social media being an integral part of their life a decade from now. Think about it, 75% of people committed to a decade in advance of social media usage, future social media usage. It'll be a part of their important life moments and their family moments with friends. My future research attempts to address the psychological and well-being aspects of some of these questions. Why are females seemingly more attached to social media and men not so much? However, one thing can be agreed upon. We can't predict the future. Social media affects us all, regardless of age, gender, race, location, or anything else. Therefore, we can give our best attempt to try and understand it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. I'll see you later.